first 7 jurors have been selected for former President Trump's criminal trial in Manhattan. The judge now says opening statements could begin as soon as Monday. CBS News correspondent Jared Hill has the very latest.
Former President Donald Trump took his fight against Manhattan's DA from the courtroom to a corner store, the site of a highly publicized fatal attack just 2 years ago that led to criticism of the very same man prosecuting his case.
It's a rigged trial. Our courts, everything is screwed up in New York.
The stop comes as the jury for Trump's hush money trial is taking shape. 4 men and 3 women were seated Tuesday. Among them, a nurse, a teacher, and 2 lawyers. Kara McGee is one of dozens who were excused.
It's someone who you've seen as this huge public figure for so long, and you walk in and see him, and he's just a guy.
While one potential juror was being questioned, Judge Juan Merchan heard Trump audibly uttering something and chastised him, saying, "I won't tolerate that. I will not have any jurors intimidated in this courtroom."
This judge is so conflicted.
Outside the courtroom, the former president repeatedly slammed at the judge.
He's rushing this trial, and he's doing as much as he can for the Democrats.
Trump also bristled at the requirement to attend every day of the trial, while his 2024 opponent, President Joe Biden, campaigns.
I should be right now in Pennsylvania, in Florida, in many other states.
5 more jurors and half a dozen alternates still need to be selected. Trump has denied the allegations he falsified business records. Jared Hill, CBS News, New York.
U.S. Supreme Court is considering a case that could impact hundreds of defendants in the January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol, as well as former President Trump. Court heard arguments on whether federal prosecutors correctly charged more than 350 individuals with obstruction of an official proceeding. A lawyer for one of the defendants argued that the charge has only ever been applied to cases involving evidence tampering and that it doesn't apply in this case. But the U.S. Solicitor General told the justices that there is no question the rioters obstructed the process to count electoral votes. If the court finds the charge does not apply, it could lead to new trials and lighter sentences. President Biden continues to crisscross the Commonwealth. Later today, he'll travel to Pittsburgh. The president stopped in Scranton yesterday as part of a 3-day campaign swing through the state. He'll be here in Philadelphia tomorrow. President Biden zeroed in on how his economic policy differs from the one of former President Trump.
You know, the best way to build an economy is from the middle out and the bottom up. He looked at the economy from Mar-a-Lago, where he and his rich friends embraced the failed trickle-down policies that have failed working families for more than 40 years.
The Republican National Committee fired back, saying Pennsylvanians are struggling because of how Biden is handling the economy. Trump visited the Lehigh Valley on Saturday.